How to add someone by username in Telegram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add someone by username in Telegram. Now, even though it has a strong security feature, it is easy to find someone by their contact or their username. Now, how do you add someone by username? You can open up the app, and once you open up the app, at the very top you can see at the top right corner you can see the search bar there. You want to simply tap on search, and from there you'll be able to search for the person username once you type in the username here correctly. Now, however, most of the users, you don't get username by default. If you haven't activated yet, what you can do is you can tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner, and from there head into settings at the left hand side you can see, and there if you scroll down here you can see very second option, username. You can see it's none currently, but you can open it up, tap on it and open it up, and here you can set your username easily. Once you set it, it can be a set of numbers. Here you can say it's available. If it is available, you can tap on save and it'll be saved. You can see my username has been saved here, and now you can share this username with others to add them in Telegram. So this way you can add someone in Telegram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.